Hi, beautiful people. My name is Sophia, and today's video is extremely important. As I record this session, is one of the most powerful full moon of the year. Full moon, supermoon in Gemini, the last one of 2025. You might feel a lot of emotions. This full moon is bringing back balance into the polarities, divine feminine and divine masculine. Therefore, this moon is going to put into light everything that needs to be worked on. And I am here today to help you rise your Kundalini, your serpent fire from your sacrum, finding a way to travel up to your spine, up to your third eye. In this particular day, not only we're going to help you rise your Kundalini through the transmutation of your traumas, but we are going to help Mother Earth Kundalini, aligning the divine polarity, masculine polarity with feminine, transmuting the war, everything that has been created by this false matrix to enslave the divine feminine, not allowing her to rise fully and lead properly. If it's not already the case, I will ask you to lay down as we're going to operate some energetic surgery on your system to successfully open your third eye, for you to see the truth for what it is, for you to access super consciousness and allowing your soul to know oneness. You've been prepared for that session. If you're here today, you must definitely resonate with light worker energy, chosen shaman, star seed, energy healer. And you have done some work, inner work. You're now ready to step forward. I am here to help Mother Earth transmuting this false energy through you. You are a channel for that planet to transmute her karma. You are an antenna for Mother Earth to rise her own Kundalini. For you to experience divine union from within. Therefore, without, you must transcend the fears and see the truth for what it is. Take a deep breath in, please. Ai kere ia tera ongo wara e araya sho kunta tatatara e indo uakoto oro uanana yetseyako. Kai kiria shu junuro wa taraya shekio no 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 te diria yo show my Kaya ya ya ya. Kuraya Turaya Today, yesterday, and Kara ioto nunuta e isi kara atotututu nuto uara ea ioso kunda ai ea anata ikere ia asonda. Ada ire ia nata tiriria aizis ka titirikia aizis ta tirinibaka ayo tototondu dudu a idara nenekia tototota oara ea nananatata. Agaraya no ay araway no way yo so ara yo no yo no ara ea kototoro wanara ye ki so no Adaraya neneneteri io kototoro ua zaraya na te kirio totutunututu ua ara e ni. This is going to activate your Kundalini to the next level. Thank you so much for being here, doing that for yourself and for Mother Earth. If you want to dig deeper, I'm about to launch my new website where you can activate fully your Kundalini through a very powerful masterclass. I cannot wait for you to see the surprise that I am going to reveal soon. I got codes for you. Very powerful codes for you to align with your highest timeline, to align with God, Source, Energy, Divine Intelligence, Frequency. I truly hope you are feeling this. Yeah, thank you, God, Goddess, all that is. Through these codes, you will be able to cut the cords with that situation or that person that has been encapsulating and mirroring your DNA through curses and X's for extremely long time. This is the most powerful cord cutting you can experience here on planet Earth. I cannot wait for you to be able to get that life-changing, energetic cord cutting. It's going to literally help your Kundalini to rise, for you to get this Emperor energy, Empress energy, God Goddess energy, Creator energy, align with your abundance, your wealth, because you're here on this planet to build a legacy. A lot of this situation or that person has stolen your inheritance through time and space. And this is the lifetime where you get it back to you. You call your power back and you cut that cord. Confirmation on my phone. Yeah, because you're here to experience sun energy, the best that this life has to offer. You're here to remember how to manipulate energy, embodying sun energy. I want to be done with this freedom because the wheel is turning. The wheel is turning and you found this channel to free yourself. I literally have the power to help you align with this freedom where you become a master manifestor, as this is your true essence. When you do not carry fears and trauma anymore within your system, you're becoming unstoppable and you manifest effortlessly with God's power. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy full moon. Namaste.